Today I'm going to talk about cutters, that is CNC router cutting tools. So cutting tool is one of the most important element in the CNC routing operations. Without cutters, without the router bits, the CNC router machine is useless. So that's the importance of a CNC router cutter. So today I am going to introduce you about a supplier of a brand of CNC router bits. Okay, so we will visit their website. You can show the website and also look at the kind of tools they are providing, the variety of tools they provide. So let us get into the website. This is the website. The website name is amnatool.com. So this tools have a variety of, they have three kind of brands. This Amna Tool, I'm just now today going to explain about the Amana Tool brand. In that they have the product, they have different products, ranges are available. So in that CNC router, they have in inches as well as in metric. So we will look at the metric tool. So in metric tool, they have variety of CNC router bits in metric sizes. So they have solid carbon aluminum spiral or flute CNC router bit. This is for aluminum cutting. Also, they have spiral or flute CNC zirconium nitrate bit also available. And they have CNC solid carbide 3 flute aluminum cutting with 55-degree helix angle. So you can get into the details, more details. If you get into that link, you can have more detail about the variety of the informations available in there when we want to compare with these two elements. What is the difference between the 3 flute aluminum and acrylic cutting 55-degree helix and mill of 3 mm, and that of the another with 55-degree. Here the size is only the difference. The shank size is different. Okay, then the diameter is different. 35 is the diameter here. Here the 15 diameter, here 45 is the diameter. Here 10 mm diameter, 45 mm into 10 mm shank size. Diameter and 45 mm is the, so we can just compare and see what is 45 mm. There is 45 mm. End mill dia is 10 mm. This is end mill dia is 6 mm. So only the dimensional difference only. So we can see their comparison. We can compare up to 4 items. So you can just their name or their standard code only difference, and their short description is the same only, and only the height of cutting height and diameter only difference. The cutting height is 55, in this it is 35, and shank dia is 6 mm. So cutting diameter is 3 mm and 6 mm. So that is the difference. You can also easily compare different tools. If you go back to the website again, you can see you can also see result depend upon whether if you want specifically a tool with overall length of 75 or 100 mm, or if you want a shank length of 10 mm or 6 mm or 8 mm, or if you want to have a flute length or the cutting length of 15, 45, 35, we can select it accordingly, and also diameter, different diameters. Especially this is related to CNC solid carbide 3 flute aluminum cutting with a 55-degree helix angle. The dimension is in metrics. Some people are more conversant with metrics, and we will go back to the products again. So this is metric products. We can see the different kinds of tool. This is with zirconium nitrate coated. This is aluminum cutting with helix angle. So carbide tool following with V groove. This is for just bending, no, aluminum sheet or ACP panel, aluminum composite panel, and you can use this kind of bit. Also, you have solid zirconium nitrate for 3D carving, CNC, 2D and 3D router. You have the taper type tool bit. You can use for minute details. So in this also different qualities available with them. So that is tool life is much higher, and solid carbide with this is for plastic cutting, and also have a solid carbide tool life is higher with O-flute plastic cutting only. This also plastic cutting with a coating. Okay. Here solid carbide, aluminum, titanium, nitrate coated, steel cutting. So this is for steel cutting. This tool is for steel cutting, and here flute carbide cutting edge straight plunge tool like this slot if you want to take high production CNC. This is for wood application. Here also plunge cutter. Here also ball nose cutter, solid carbide mold nose, spiral root bit for plastic and acrylic machining, pixel classes, and solid spectra extreme with the coating. The life is higher, like solid carbide extreme tool life with the compression spiral compression bit. All are these compression bits because of the MDF or the panel board. Because of that, so solid extreme tool life spiral, and planning and hogging metric routers bits, and this one is for V groove bitting bits for router bits, and also solid carbide bit for sign making. You want to write some small letters, engraving type, point cutting around our CNC like this shape you can take out from that. Also for cutting extreme tool life, if you look for coated tools, phenolic cutting, and this also for carbon fiber panel cutting, this tool. And also where this is for point diamond pattern CNC router bit for composite material. This one is used, and for solid carb form cutting, spiral CNC router bits also available. And in HSS form cutting straight V flute bit is available. It's not spiral, this is straight V flute. And insert carbide, this is edges are using insert. You can change the insert and you can use it. The insert bits are also available, and another metric CNC router bits also available. So if you go inside, you can get more detail about these bits. This is a set of bits. Okay, you can have around 48 pieces. So this is CNC master router bit collections, 48 pieces. This is for solid wood display interior, illuminated mirror. Okay, this is the box also they are providing with that. So this is the kind of tools available. If you go in details of each these tools, you can understand what all different specification is available for this tool bit with this company. Okay, there is a number of CNC router bits manufacturers. So Amna is one of the prestigious brand. So you can look into the variety of applications from tools for variety of applications from here. So this is the tools. You can go inside and learn more about the different specification is available for these tools. So whatever the application they already mentioned here, these tools are for what kind of applications, what kind of material these are used. So what all generally used material. Those tools are available here. You can purchase this tool bits online. You can also search for whether any local dealers are available for these brands. You can go into the website again and can see if there is any people selling in your place. So this is the knowledge base. You can also, if you want to learn more about the machine, these tool bits, there is a knowledge base is available. So you can go and study those things, or what all the frequently asked questions about the CNC router bits. So you can go and learn about this before purchasing the CNC router bits. So where you can buy, they have given, we can buy it online retailers, and also you can find a local store. So you can just click this and can find out if there is a local store is available. So they have many other variety of bits, that is hand router bits are available, then saw blades, shaper cutters, boring and drilling bits, planer and joiner knives, and many new products are available in their store, online store. You can go and search for it. So hope that this information will be useful finding CNC router bit. So it's depend upon the geography where you are living. You can find the stores, or you can purchase it in online if the service is available at your area. So this is very standard tools, no? So you can keep this as a standard tools in your mind. So when you look at the other tools, you can compare it and see what is the difference. And if you learn about the bits, little bit CNC router bit, you can easily compare it with other bits and can find out the right kind of bits for your application. So if you look into this, because this is for aluminum and non-ferrous metal cutting, the same way you can go into different application areas. Okay, first we were gone to this aluminum and non-ferrous metal cutting bits here specifically. If you go for that, you can see here this what all shapes you want to create according to the profile and tool shapes, tool geometry. You can check it. So accordingly, you can buy the bits what you are looking for. Depend upon the material you're going to work. So this is for sign making and engraving CNC router bits from Amna. So you can just click here and can see what all those tools. So these are the tools which is available. So this is the different shapes of tools available for sign making and engraving application. So this there is tool for steel cutting. Then you can go for steel cutting, straight plunge CNC router bits, form cutting router bits, and honeycomb cutting router bits. Joining CNC, the joiner if you want to make, no. So what router bits you can use, that you can make the joining phases. And also for planing and hogging CNC router bits, plastic cutting, door making CNC router bits. So you have a variety of router bits available according to your applications, and you can find out those bits here. Hope these informations are going to be useful to you, and it will help you to decide what kind of tools, CNC router bits or CNC cutter you require for your machine, for the kind of application you want to use the machine. So thank you for watching. Hope that you will subscribe this channel so that I can bring more informations related to CNC router, CNC routing, CNC router applications, and CNC router business. So thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. See you again.